30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 18. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 18th way to make $100 per day online. So I hope you are following this YouTube video series. Please watch all the rest of the videos. I'm really putting a ton of effort and a ton of research for you guys so you can start making money online and working from home. Guys, before I'm going to show you this method, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Please do these 4 things. It really helps my channel out, and this way I can record more videos about making money online and working from home for you. Also, check out all the links in the description. I have my free courses, I have my coaching, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online, so check it out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video, guys. So with this method, you will become an expert that will help businesses to grow. Okay, so you probably have some kind of an expertise. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what niche it's in, you have some kind of an expertise and you can help other businesses or just businesses to grow. For example, my expertise would be YouTube videos, email marketing, running websites. You know, I can help different businesses with all of these different things, even if it's something local or even if it's something super niche specific. Okay, so the website that will allow you to make money and help these businesses is clarity.fm. Okay, so as you can see, this is a website for businesses and they look for experts to give them advice. So startup advice from world-class experts. As you can see, people can find experts on this site, but you as an expert will scroll down and click on become an expert. So again, you can sign up right here. They will send you a little form to fill out. And again, you can become one of these experts and make money from your expertise. Again, whatever it is, it can be related to business, to sales, to marketing, to anything online related. Again, websites, design, social media, whatever it is. So even if you have a big following on social media, you are already an expert in social media marketing. Okay, so guys, so Clarity FM, I also have an alternative for you. Okay, so you can also go to Fiverr, to the business consulting category, see which gigs are selling and just mirror a gig that is currently successful. Okay, so again, this will be the same exact thing. You would be just advising people on how to do different things. As you can see, this lady says, I will write business case study analysis. We have a how to start your nonprofit. We have how to prepare your tax forms, how to do complete affiliate marketing setup. This guy says how to do a startup, how to set up a UK company, how to do live profitable options trading. So guys, you probably have some kind of an expertise in some field. You probably don't even know it, and you probably already have some knowledge in something and you don't even consider yourself as an expert. So keep in mind, even if you just know a little bit and it's more than a business owner that is clueless, you can charge money for it because you know more than them, right? So again, we have a business coach, we have a grant proposal, bookkeeping, again a business coach, we have investors, we have again startups, SEO. So guys, tons of different things. Just find a gig that is already successful, mirror it. So again, copy and rewrite the title, the description, do similar pricing, similar delivery, and you should be good to go. So combining these two websites, Fiverr and Clarity.fm, should definitely make you at least $100 per day online. So guys, I really like this strategy because you are capitalizing on your knowledge, which is great, and you can do this online, obviously working from home. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. Again, I highly appreciate you doing these 4 things. Check out all the links in the description and check out all the rest of the videos, especially in this YouTube video series. Okay, so I'm putting a ton of work for you guys. Please check out all the videos that are currently available, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.